Meaning of gosling.
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 Gosling. The word gosling refers to a young goose, specifically one that is less than a year old. Goslings are typically covered in soft yellow or gray down feathers and are often seen near water sources such as ponds or lakes. They are known for their cute and fluffy appearance, but can grow up to be large and powerful birds. In many cultures, geese and their young are seen as symbols of loyalty and protection. Overall, goslings are a common sight in natural areas and can provide enjoyment for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts alike.